Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vic and today we are going to be reacting to DAY6's newest subunit called Even of Day's newest song called Where the Sea Sleeps, 파도가 끝나는 곳까지 from their first mini album, The Book of Us, Glue On, I think that's how you say it. Nothing Can Tear Us Apart. Yes. So this is DAY6's first subunit, which is very exciting. And this is their first mini album from this unit, but this is not their first mini album as DAY6 of a group. So DAY6 has this series called Book of Us. I'm not really sure if there's like a meaning or like a storyline per se, but they do have a Book of Us series, and this is part of it, which I'm really excited about. So judging from the thumbnail, it seems like they're going to use their little animal characters, and these animal characters really represent each member from the band. The names are Pang, Je, Ke, Pil, and Ton. And these are sort of like either nicknames or like shortened words or shortened names from their actual name, and I think it's just so cute. And as you guys can tell, I do have little mini Don right here, and yes, that means my bias is Don, who is the drummer. And also one thing, all 4 of the other members are vocalists and they do sing, but Don, he is the drummer. He does sing in a few songs, like a few lines, and those are like the precious like parts in all of those songs. And when they were making this subunit, and I saw Ton in this, and I was like, wait, if there's only like 3 of them, then like, is he gonna sing? That's what I'm really curious about. If I hear Ton singing, I'm gonna freak out, guys. I swear to God. But yes, I'm really excited to see if he's gonna sing. I'll be so happy. But either way, yes, I am very excited to hear what song this will be. But before we get started, DAY6 is a 5-member boy band, and they're the most well-known. And they are under JYP Entertainment, and this is their first subunit called Even of Day, and this consists of 3 members from the, DAY6. And these 3 are actually the youngest ones. So these 3 actually are the bassist. So Youngtae is the bassist, and then the keyboardist, which is Wonpil, and also the synthesizer, I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but and then Toon is the drummer. When they first announced this subunit, I was like sort of like, wait, how is that gonna work? Because a band should be like, you know. But I realized these 3 instruments are what you really need to really like have like a band, I would say. So like I know that Youngtae Brian, he is able to also play the guitar, so I think it works out. So I'm really excited to hear what kind of song this will be. So without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh. Oh my god, I already love it. That's the guitar. Oh my gosh. Oh, the characters are so cute. Oh my god. Oh, they're like ostrich. Oh, Ton is so cute. Oh my god. His vocals are so good. Wonpil too, man. Oh my god. He's so cute. Oh my god, I love. my god, this is so good. 반응음제. I'm obsessed with these characters. So cute. And these graphics are so good. 너무 애절해. So good. I got the chills. Oh my god, that was so good. Yeah, so we just finished watching the music video and I am so happy. This was so good. Like, obviously, first of all, I just need to acknowledge the cartoon. The cartoon itself was just so adorable and like just it was just so squishy. They just are so squishy. I just want to squish them like, ugh. But it was just adorable and I like the storyline was just so cute and it really like suited the lyrics as well. The lyrics were just so like warm. I don't know really how to explain it, but it was like very 포근해, very cozy. It's like so like gentle, the lyrics, and it just made me feel very warm. Yeah, so I just think it was just like, I think it's also the characters that made me very like soft, and also just like Brian's and Young K's and One Pier's vocals were just awesome. I'm a little sad that Tone didn't sing in this, but it is okay. I am used to it. I'm aware that like Tone doesn't really feel confident in his singing, but it's okay. The song was still good. So overall, I really loved this song. This was just so adorable, and just I give props to the cartoonist and just like the people who like made the video. It was just so cute, and I just really think it suited the lyrics and just the concept of this album and song. So I really like it, and I'm really excited to listen to the rest of the album. So yes, also I did pre-order the album unboxing coming up. So yes, I'm very excited to receive this album and also just listen to it and It's just so good. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below who your even of day bias is, and also what you thought about the song and what your favorite song is from this album. And also follow me on Instagram, just get updated with me, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also please stay safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!